Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start cleaning on a Philips HomeRun 2000. To start cleaning from the app, you can choose whether you want to do regular cleaning, so it will clean your whole home, room,
Pause.
so I'm gonna end the session, then go to room, and now you can select one or multiple rooms. So the ones that are unselected are grayed out and the ones selected are not. So now I've selected one room. If you have multiple rooms, then you can just select multiple, so they will just, you know, a few of them will be cleaned but not your whole home. You can also click on the cleaning method to change every setting, like vacuum and mop, quiet, intensive, whatever. Then you can adjust the suction, the mop wetness, and the repetition. You can also set it to custom, so for each room you'll be able to adjust these settings. I'm gonna click on cancel now. You can also instead do zone cleaning, then click on got it, and now it will create you a zone. You can resize it however you like, place it wherever you want. You can also click on plus to add another zone of cleaning, so it will only clean those zones without any other ones. So for example like that. Then it will not clean here and only clean here. I'm gonna delete those zones. And that's how you choose the cleaning mode. And after choosing the cleaning mode, click on the play button and it will start cleaning. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.